Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to update apps in your Android phone. So at first open up your Google Play Store. Now from here tap on this profile icon at the top right corner of your display. Now here you can see manage apps and device option, then just tap here. After that tap on updates available. Now from here you can check and update your apps. You can see there are 5 updates are pending. From here you can update your apps one by one. Also if you tap on update all, then your all apps are start updating at the same time. Now if you want to update Facebook, just tap on update and you can see that will start updating. If you check and update your apps regularly, then you can get the latest version of every apps and you can see the update is complete. Now if you tap on update all, and you can see all apps are start updating at the same time. Now if you go back, then tap on this option. You can also scan your phone apps from here. If you tap on scan, and you can see that will start scanning your apps and the scan is complete. You can see there is no harmful apps in my phone. And that is how you can update apps in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.